we actually separated from the groups. And there's 2 more of our students over there. And then there's more of them. Yeah, they don't like us. It's the girls. We're the boys. We have cooties, or they have cooties. Oh, we are gonna go out. We're getting on the train going that way.
Huh?
Why are we going that way?
Because that's the way. They're going the wrong way.
Oh, are they?
Don't tell them. Learn the hard way.
Hold on.
Yeah.
They're on the right.
So what did you guys think of the train ride?
It was pretty intense.
Couldn't breathe.
Intense.
A lot of friction going on.
If you see all of these people that are walking behind us, put all of these people in a tiny, tiny room. I'm still the tallest person in Tokyo. We have yet to find someone taller than me. So thankfully I could breathe, but I feel sorry for you especially because you're just...
I felt so short.
There was a million people in a tiny box.
And someone farted.
And someone farted. And I think I might have like scored and had sex on there at some point. It was just... So kudos to train sets in Tokyo because that was just, you know...
Japanese gas.
They're coming.
They're coming?
It's cheaper.
We have to get the other... Just the rest of our group. They had to go get transfer tickets, so we're gonna head down. Here's looking through the train station, the token McDonald's that is everywhere in Tokyo. There's another train taking off. And Big Echo, Mossburger, and Kieran, another busy street area. Watch the train go past. Citibank. Citibank's everywhere here. Just kind of have a station here.
Shigawa, correct?
Sure, I wonder how often people throw themselves.
We just got off the second train. That wasn't nearly as bad as the first one. I was just saying, we just got off the second train. It wasn't nearly as bad as the first one. We actually had breathing room, and we all made it here safely.
The first few stops, I had like Mondo room.
Yeah, we had plenty of room, and then like we saw an open space and jumped into it. Really, really busy mornings. But we have Suboruton? Sabaton? Yeah. Don. Oh, noodles bowl. Oh, Don's bowl. And we're going through. You have to have tickets for everything here to get through these. So, turn in the tickets. This time they don't come back. See how busy it is? Yeah. School is this way, so we're heading to school. We did this yesterday, and we all have to remember how to do it every day.
I found a ticket.
So what?
A ticket.
Why do you have a ticket?
I don't know. It goes.
What? Yeah. Oh shit! I forgot about the full 5 minutes.
What?
9. 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Well, it's only down this way.
Alright.
There's actually an Irish pub over here. We have 30 minutes to get to class. Now we're splitting up, it looks like, because some of them want to go ahead and we want to wait. But we're here. We have 15 minutes to rush to take tests. You can actually see some of the dining areas. Lots of restaurants. The smoking area. This is the designated smoking area. Piatish. I don't know what that is. Tall buildings. Lots and lots of cool buildings.